Imagine winning the lottery tomorrow. You're suddenly sitting on millions, the dream, right? A brand new house, a fancy car, everything you've ever wanted. But hold up. Before you start planning your victory speech, ask yourself one important question. Can you actually handle it? Here's the reality. 41% of people can't even cover a $2,000 emergency, and 62% of households can't replace even a single month of income. Why? It's not a lack of income, it's a lack of self-discipline. So what happens if you win the lottery and you've never built those habits of saving? The truth is, you might end up in the same spot, broke, overwhelmed, and worse off than before. It's not your income that determines your future, it's your habits. But here's the good news. It's not too late to change. No matter what you earn today, whether it's $500 a month or $5,000, the key is saving something now. Even if it's just $10 a week. It's about building that habit, because habits don't change overnight, but they compound over time. Now here's the kicker. When you start saving now, your future self will thank you, because when that big paycheck or lottery win comes, you'll be ready. You'll have the mindset, the discipline, and the foundation to make sure you don't blow it. Trust me, it's not about the money you make, it's about what you do with it. So what's stopping you? Don't wait for a big break to get serious about your financial future. Start today. Build those healthy habits. Because when your paycheck grows, you want to be the one in control of it, not the other way around, and who knows? If you ever do win the lottery, you'll already have the skills to make it last. So, start now. Build the discipline and watch your future transform. Don't wait for luck to change your life. Start building your financial future today.